Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine, and I hope you have done the previous exercises of the previous chapter. So now let's move into the new chapter, that is chapter 9, is, am, are, was and were. Let's talk about it. The words is, am and are used to show present time. So basically the word is, am and are, it is used to show the present time. Okay, we use am with I. We use is with he, she, it, this, that, and any singular object. We use are with you, we, they, these, those, and more than one object. So basically it is saying that we use am with I. We use is with the singular one, with the singular object. That means she, he, it, this, that. Okay, and any other singular object. Next one, we use are with you, we, they, these, those, and more than the one object, more than the singular one object. That means the plural one. Okay, here you can see the table also. Look at this table. I, with I, you're gonna use am. He, she, it, you're gonna use is, and you, we, they, you're gonna use are. Okay, now let's read and learn. First one, I am a player. So in this sentence you can see carefully that with I you're gonna use am. I am a player. Next one, she is a girl. With she you're gonna use is, because that is the singular one only. Okay, next one, he is a pilot. He is a pilot. He is also the singular one, so you're gonna use is. Okay, now the next one is, you are a teacher. With you you're gonna use are. Okay, next one, it is a hen. With it also you're gonna use is. Okay, next one, this is an ink pot. When it is talking about the singular one object and also the object is near to you, then you're gonna use this. This is an ink pot. Now other examples are, we are boys. With we you're gonna use are. They are students. With they also you're gonna use are. Next one, those are birds. With those also you're gonna use are. Okay, now let's talk about was and were. Was and were are used to show the past times. Was is the simple past form of is and am. We use was with I, he, she, and it, and singular nouns. So basically it is telling you about was and were. Was and were are used to show the past time, the time which already occurred. Okay, already happened. Was is the simple past form of is and am. Okay, we use was with he, she, I, and it. Okay, the and also the singular number. Okay, singular noun one we use was. Okay, now let's read and learn some examples. I was going to school. So with I you're gonna use was. Okay, and it is talking about the past time. Next one, he was playing cricket. With he also you're gonna use was. Next one, she was reading a book. With she you're gonna use was. Okay, next is, it was hot yesterday. With it you're gonna use was. Next, Ashoka was a great king. Next, Jack was ill yesterday. So here also you can see the singular person over there and you have to use was. Okay, now let's talk about were. Were is the simple past form of are. We use were with you, we, they, and plural nouns. So basically were is the simple past form of are, and we use were with you, we, they, and the plural nouns. Okay, so they have given the examples also. Read and learn. First one, you were late yesterday. It is talking about the past one, and with you you're gonna use were. Okay, next one, we were swimming. Next, they were talking. Next example, the birds were flying. John and Jack were fighting. The babies were crying. Okay, so you can clearly see that with the plural one and with the words like you, we, they, you're gonna use were. Okay, now students, let's do some exercises. Take the correct option, fill it in the blanks. Am is used with dash. Is it I, you, he? The answer is I. Am is used with I. Next one, is used with dash. Options are you, he, they. The answer is he. Is used with he. Next one, are is used with dash. Options are I, she, you. Are is used with you. Okay. Now the next question is fill in the blanks with is, am or are. You have to fill the blank by using is, am and are. Okay. Now the next one is choose the correct word. First one, the moon is slash am slash are shining in the sky. The moon is a singular one only. Okay, so you're going to use is. The moon is shining in the sky. Like this, you have to read the sentence carefully and you have to choose the correct form of the is, am, are one. Okay, the word, correct form of the word you have to choose. Okay. I hope, student, that you understood this chapter, and your homework is you have to do all the exercise part of this chapter, and I'm going to meet you in the next class. Till then, bye bye.